Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine as well as a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included is such as trailer tow mode, 2-inch factory lift, tow hook and skid plates, as well as locking rear differential, off-road appearance package, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these huge doors with tons of storage and paneling on the bottom here. You're going to have the speakers just on the bottom of the door there. Of course, you're going to have that wood and chrome accent finish with the power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows as well. You're going to have these running boards on the side there as well. Of course, on the driver's seat, you're going to have your power adjustable, power adjustable lumbar, as well as they are heated. On the left side here, you're going to have your trailer tow mode, as well as your 2- and 4-wheel drive, as well as your cargo lamps. Onto the steering wheel on the left side here, we're going to have our cruise control settings as well as our heated steering wheel. You're going to have this black Chevrolet badging. And on the right side, you're going to have your odometer control as well as your voice recognition. Behind, you're going to have your Seek media and as well as your volume control. You're going to have the classic Chevrolet speedometer, again, with the classic truck shifter, the push to start, and of course the radio controls here and the climate. Of course, it's going to have your multi-zone air conditioning as well as hill descent control. And as well on the bottom you have 2 USB ports as well as 12-volt DC port and of course your AC wall charger. Onto the center here, we're going to have our 8-inch infotainment system. Like I said, you're going to have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well as your Wi-Fi hotspot. Trailer lights, OnStar services. You're going to have to sign up with OnStar for navigation as well as you can access your rear view camera from park as well. On the bottom you have storage there as well as cup holders. And inside you're going to have tons of extra storage, and as well as there's going to be a little light there as well. Of course, on the passenger side, it's going to have that same finish, power adjustable. Of course, you're going to have the wood and chrome accent finish, and you're going to have the double glove box as well, and storage just above your infotainment system, as well as you're going to have your reading lamps and your OnStar services up top. You're going to have these 18-inch blacked out alloy wheels with running on Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain tires here. You're going to have the paint match mirror cap and keyless entry door handles as well. Of course, it's going to come equipped with the tonneau cover, the Trail Boss badging, as well as your corner step and dual exhaust with your trailer hitch and your gooseneck and fifth wheel under. And of course, you're going to have the automatic lift gate with the spray-in bed liner as well. Very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear, we're going to have that same finish with storage and a cup holder just on the bottom of the door with the speakers as well. Again, with that wood and chrome finish, as well as the running boards on the right side. As well as inside the seats, you're going to have storage compartment as well. Once we hop in, since this is a crew cab, you're going to have tons of extra storage space, as well as storage behind the passenger and driver's seat. As well as behind, you're going to have, again, 2 USB ports, as well as a 12-volt DC port, as well as ventilation on the bottom. And again, you're going to have the cup holder and the classic armrest right in the middle. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss LT. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine as well as a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as locking rear differential, trailer tow controller, as well as your integrated brake controller, tow hooks, skid plates, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.